Alright, let's talk about cardio. Is it real that it kills your gains, or is it a myth? Let's talk about it. Right, so when people talk about the cardiovascular exercise, they're referring to the cardiovascular system, okay? Your cardiovascular system is composed of your heart, which is the main organ responsible for pumping the blood. Then there's the arteries, there's the capillaries, and then finally there's the veins that returns the blood all the way back to the heart, okay? So the main purpose of your cardiovascular system is to deliver the blood to the different types of tissue within the body, which is very, very essential. Within the blood, there are very important factors that are necessary for your body to actually perform correctly, in order to perform at its optimal level. What are those? There's the nutrients, there's the oxygen, vitamins, minerals, water. Everything that your body needs in order to perform at its best is within the blood. So what tissues are receiving this, the blood? Every muscle, every tissue in the body, including the smooth muscle tissue, which is essentially the organs. There's the skeletal muscle tissue, which is the actual muscle that you train in the gym, the bicep, the tricep, the legs, the back, the chest. And then there are other tissues within the body, but those are the main tissues that you actually receive the blood, right? So by enhancing or bettering the cardiovascular system, helping your heart pump enough blood efficiently throughout the whole body will actually enhance your workouts, because you will be receiving the right amount or the essentials for that muscle to perform correctly. It doesn't matter if you want to build muscle or lose fat or stay healthy. It doesn't matter what your main goal is. Doing cardiovascular exercise will enhance whatever goal you have in mind. Okay, so here's what I recommend. This is what I suggest you guys to do. At the very least, do 2 to 3 cardiovascular sessions a week. All you're doing is choosing the machine that you prefer the most. Doesn't matter if it's a treadmill, an elliptical, a bicycle, the Stairmaster, any kind of machine that you prefer the most. You can even go outside and do it outside. And do 15 to 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week. Doesn't take that much time. Do it after your workouts. Don't do it before, because if you do it before, your workouts is gonna be suffering. Do it after your workouts. And you will notice that over time, you will actually feel better, right? You'll be more energetic. You will actually feel that your body's performing better. And then your workouts are going to be better improved. So you will see the results faster, which is essentially what everybody wants, right? Who wants to spend a lifetime waiting for the results when you can get it faster by, doing some tweaks to your everyday routines, okay? So that's basically what I suggest. Now, here's what I do. I do 4 to 5 times cardio a week. I do around 40 minutes. And I've noticed tremendous change. Not only my physical appearance, because I keep my fat levels low, and I'm leaner, but I actually feel that I can perform even better. And my strength has increased dramatically ever since I started doing cardiovascular exercise. So there are many things and many factors that play a role in how well you're gonna do in weight training. There are also some supplements out there that would actually help you out or better enhance your cardiovascular system. It's not going to directly help you out with the cardiovascular exercise as it is going to dramatically increase the endurance within that session, but it will help on the long run. And these supplements are, for example, the omega-3 fatty acids, which your body cannot produce. You gotta get it from the outside source. For example, salmon, I think tuna. There are multiple out there, okay? So omega-3 fatty acids enhances the cardiovascular system. There's also a CQ10, which is another supplement that enhances your heart and cardiovascular system. There are many out there. I'm gonna put in the description box so you guys can check them out and see if that's worth spending money on for you guys. What I do is a Stairmaster. I believe that that's the best type of cardiovascular exercise that I could do. Why? Because it works from the waist down. So you're basically enhancing your legs by getting deeper cuts, your quads, your hamstrings, your glutes, right? Your calves. While at the same time enhancing the cardiovascular system. So you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Okay? So basically that's the reason behind why I choose the Stairmaster as my main cardiovascular exercise. But that doesn't mean that you can go into a treadmill or you can go into elliptical. Just choose the one that is most fun for you, because at the end of the day, if you're going to be doing this every week, you want to be able to have it to be fun for you, to be something that is enjoyable, not be like, oh man, I gotta go to the gym now and do some cardiovascular exercise, I don't want to do it. Because then you will not want to do it, you will find an excuse not to go to it. Okay? So do that Okay, choose the one that is right for you. If you're seeing that you're not growing the muscle, if that's your main purpose, building muscle, and you see that you're not gaining muscle, just increase the amount of calories that you're taking, and that should resolve the issue. Okay. Follow me on all social media platforms. If you have any video requests, put it on the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Boom. And if you want to learn how to build muscle, lose fat, stay healthy, consider watching the following videos. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on the next video.